You may have had banana cake before, but you've not had this cafeteria style banana cake. It's super duper moist. The best banana cake I've ever had. Are you ready? Let's go. 1 stick of softened butter, 1½ cups of granulated sugar. Beat that up until it's light and fluffy. Like that. 2 large eggs. Add these in one at a time, beating after each add. Stir in 1 cup of sour cream, 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Mash up 3 or 4 ripe bananas. You need 1½ cups. Doesn't everybody use a pastry blender to mash their bananas? I'm just going to use the same measuring cup that I used for the sour cream. Mix those bananas in there real well, like that. And then set it aside. Need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, ½ teaspoon of salt. Mix that all up. By the way, whenever I say flour in my recipes, I mean all-purpose flour. If I were to mean self-rising flour, I would say self-rising flour. Add these dry ingredients into these wet ingredients just a little bit at a time. You just want to mix it in until it's just combined. Don't over mix it. If you over mix it, it's not going to come out as fluffy. It'll be a lot more dense. Now, if you want it to be dense, by all means, mix it, mix it, mix it. Get you a jelly roll pan, a 10 by 15 pan. Some people make it in a 9 by 13, but I want mine to only be about this high, like a lunch lady recipe was. So, and I'm going to use this to prepare my pan. However you want to prepare it, do it. Spread the batter evenly into the pan. Like that. You know, one time I said, I'm going to go cook it in the oven. And somebody said, you don't cook a cake, you bake a cake. Doesn't it still cook? We always said cook a cake, but I've changed my ways. Bake the cake in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. It's in the oven. Bake at 350 for 20 to 25 minutes. I'm just gonna make a simple cream cheese frosting to put on top of that. You need 1 stick, ½ cup of softened butter, and 1 8-ounce block of softened cream cheese. Mine's not softened, I have to go soften it. Put that in there with the butter. Wow, it's pretty soft. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Beat those together. And then add in 3 to 4 cups of powdered sugar. And I'm using my grandma's ½ cup measuring cup. Boy, that's seen better days. I ended up using 4 cups. Seems pretty thick to me. That's perfect. And if you don't lick those beater bars, what are you even doing in the kitchen? Cake's done. Smells delicious. And now it has to cool. It's all cool, and now it's time to ice it. Wow, that smells really good. I wish we had smell-o-vision. I cannot tell you how good this smells. It's so light and moist. Oh my goodness. That is delicious. That is so super duper moist. Wow. I didn't think that I could top the hummingbird cake or the Coca-Cola cake, but this is right up there with those. Wow. Make that as fast as you can. Make that. Yum. As always, you can find the full recipe pinned in the comments or in the description of the video.